Does anyone else hate the sound of their own voice? You're not alone. Most of us cringe at the sound of ourselves on a recording. But have you ever wondered why that happens? Here's the thing. The way you sound to you isn't how you sound to others. Let me explain. When you speak, your voice creates vibrations. Those vibrations travel through the air and reach other people's ears. But when you hear yourself, you're hearing those vibrations travel through your bones. That denser material makes your voice sound deeper and richer. Now, when you hear a recording of yourself, you're hearing your voice through the air, just like everyone else does. It's a completely different sound, and your brain goes, "Wait, who's that?" It's kind of like looking at a photo of yourself. The version of you in the mirror, the one you're used to, is flipped. But photos show the world's view of you. That's why they feel unfamiliar, even jarring at first. But here's the good news. The more you listen to recordings of yourself, the more your brain starts to connect the dots. Over time, that voice on the recording, it starts to feel like you. So, stop avoiding it. Embrace it. Whether it's a podcast, a voice note, or a TikTok, it's all you. And your voice, it's an instrument, a tool, a unique reflection of your experiences and stories. So, the next time you hear yourself, remember, that's how the world hears you. And guess what? That's amazing.